Good morning everyone. Today our last day and today travel to Philippines. But now we check out hotel and our flight only 9 p.m. So we have time and now we will go to our friend house in Sky Beach condominium and we will take breakfast also. And later we will go to Nakloa bus station at Pattaya North bus station. And now let's go, Shaira. Time. And now we order Grab taxi to Sky Beach condominium. After 2 minutes. Shaira, let's go. Outside very hot right now. This our car. We already in Sky Beach. In Sky Beach, our friend apartment. Yura. Hi Yura. Nicholas drink tea. Hi Nicholas. Busy. And take a look what Nicholas have. Shaira? Shaira show what he bought before. Nicholas like. This is for sale, he said. And take a look, view. Good view. We will go to buy breakfast outside. We went outside to buy. What you want, Shaira? Anything. Okay. Fish. Small fish. Hello. How much this food? How much? Not understand. 50, 150 baht. 2 pieces 100, yes? Okay.
You don't put in?
This one how much?
70 baht.
This is 70 baht.
One?
170.
120 baht.
So Shaira, it's enough? Rice or maybe have salad? Papaya salad have? Papaya salad have? For Shaira so hard.
Try this one last night. It's good. It's tofu.
This one. Papaya salad.
It's bamboo.
Bamboo? Papaya salad and rice. And we will buy in the tops also something. Okay.
Top daily wear.
Tops daily is. It's good location. Many shops and not expensive when in the central Pattaya. Oh, bread have also. How much bread? Bread from Russia the same. Dark bread 55 baht only. Strawberry Shaira already hot because hot. Take a look. Chocolate sticks 20 is big. Strawberry.
Up to you.
No, we can buy. First we will go inside. Croissant. Okay, let's go. Shaira, what you want buy? Chocolate sticks.
Yes.
This.
Да.
Okay. So Shaira. Shaira like it here. This is chocolate cream.
Okay,
It's
okay.
not milk cream.
Okay, okay. One, two, three. Ah, yes.
So many Russian people live in this place. I hope next time available room here and we will stay in Sky Beach because Sky Beach is very comfortable for us.
28, right?
Yes. Shaira don't like speed elevator. Same like an airplane for you. Salad. We're going to bus terminal. Nicholas, what you want to say?
No words.
Do you want to go to
I know.
Philippines?
I want to go to Ukraine. No words.
Phone.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Who speak a lot.
Okay, we will take the bolt now. Soon start rain. Arriving soon taxi. MG white. Perfume, Shaira?
Да.
Nicholas give you perfume?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
But it's little bit only. But it's so strong.
Okay. They said not allowed coffee. That's why Shaira put inside the plastic. And heavy rain start. Not cold, yeah, cold. It's very cold in the glass also. Our gate, what name? G? G8. Smoking area. Shaira, this side, yes. Not need smoking area. Where better sit. I think better is table. What you order? Rice, salad. Okay, I will show what have. Here more choice than in the Clark, yes? More choice. Good? Time now 7:34. We have enough time for eat and rest here. Our flight after 1 hour. That's why we have 30 minutes more before go to gate. In airport so many Arabian passengers right now. They come back to home. Maybe before cancel flight, but now I think already okay. Ice cream if you want. Ice cream also have. In refrigerator. We are going to gate now. Are you full now? Full?
The 8, yeah.
D6, D7, yes, straight. Our gate is D8.
It's yeah.
Uh-huh. Our gate, Clark, Cebu Pacific. Share, take water, snacks.
If you do not wish to perform the functions described in this emergency, please ask the cabin crew to resume. Sa mga panahon sa exit
Shira bring show snacks from the lounge because hungry. Water.
It's so risky.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. You can eat all the way. already in the Clark airport and waiting Grab, but don't have taxi right now. And many people here. So fast, Ashara, yes? So many people now and don't have drivers. Grab. Not easy to find. Take a look. So many people.
We can
Of tourists is Korean tourists. Sorry, there are no drivers around. Grab don't have, but Shaira use application Maxim. Shaira, Maxim application.
Yes.
How much to Mabalakat to our place?
293.
300. It's good. Same in Grab. I hope. Yeah, Grab, Maxim same. Most of tourists Korean guys. And time now 2.
We already in home. And thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.